Greetings and welcome to all. It is March 8, International Women's Day, a special day to celebrate the being of a woman, to appreciate her strength and sacrifice she made during her life. On this day, let's honor every woman in the world for they are special, they are powerful, and they are unique. Today is a celebration for women all around the world, ladies who have dared to dream big ever since they were little girls. For the diversity and talent that lie within a feminine heart, for the courage and determination that prevents us fall apart, we can raise families and build businesses and be proud of all we have achieved. Where once over visions of that scale could never have been believed. Ladies, stand up and be counted, smile at how far we have come, and cherish every single day as daughter, wife, companion, or mums. Don't let anybody tell you that there are set paths for you to follow. As a little girl with a passion is an inspiring woman for tomorrow. So celebrate all women and acknowledge the great things they do. The theme for International Women's Day, 8 March 2021, is announced as Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. The theme celebrates the tremendous effort by women and girls around the world in shaping a more equal future and recovery from COVID-19 pandemic and highlight the gaps that remains. Women of the world want and deserve an equal future free from stigma, stereotype and violence. A future that is sustainable, peaceful and with equal rights and opportunities for all. To get us there, the world needs women at every table where decisions are made. Women's full and effective participation and leadership in all areas of life drives progress for everyone. Yet, women are still underrepresented in public life and decision making. As revealed in the UN Secretary General's recent report, women are head of state or government in 22 countries and only 24.9% of national parliamentarians are women. At current rate of progress, gender equality among the heads of government will take another 130 years. Women are also at the forefront of the battle against COVID-19 as frontline and health sector workers, as scientists, doctors and caregivers, yet they get paid 11% less globally than their male counterparts. An analysis of COVID-19 task team from 87 countries found only 3.5% of them had gender parity. When women lead, see the positive result. This year's International Women's Day is rallying cry for generation equality, to act for an equal future for all. On this occasion, I invite our Vice Principal Srimati Anjana Dhanraju Madam with her message on International Women's Day. Madam Anjana Dhanraju.
नमस्कार, आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, प्रधान अध्यापक महोदय, सभी शिक्षक साथीगण, आप सभी का अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस पर केंद्रीय विद्यालय उज्जैन द्वारा आयोजित वेबिनार में हार्दिक स्वागत है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस का इतिहास 100 वर्षों से भी अधिक पुराना है। आज इस दिवस का महत्व और इसकी आवश्यकता वैश्विक स्तर पर भी स्वीकार की गई है। आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में हम देखते हैं कि महिलाएं हर क्षेत्र में अपना योगदान दे रही हैं, चाहे वह देश की अर्थव्यवस्था हो, समाज कल्याण के कार्य हो, देश की रक्षा का कार्य हो। आज ऐसा कोई भी क्षेत्र नहीं है जहां महिलाओं ने न केवल अपना योगदान दिया है, बल्कि अपना वर्चस्व भी स्थापित किया है। परंतु आज भी समाज के कुछ हिस्सों में महिलाओं के साथ हो रहे अत्याचार हमें यह सोचने पर मजबूर कर देते हैं कि महिलाओं के अस्तित्व को आज भी स्वीकार नहीं किया गया है। आज आवश्यकता है कि नारी अपने अस्तित्व की रोशनी से समाज में फैली नकारात्मक ऊर्जा का विनाश कर समाज को एक नई दिशा दे। आज मैं समाज की प्रत्येक नारी का आह्वान करती हूँ कि वह समाज में अपने अस्तित्व की लड़ाई लड़े, अपने अस्तित्व को पहचाने और समाज के कल्याण के लिए अपना कार्य करे। इस बात का एक बहुत ही अच्छा उदाहरण हमें देखने को मिला है कि इस महामारी के दौर में भी महिलाओं ने देश के लिए दिन रात कार्य किया है और यह साबित किया है कि वह भी समाज का एक अहम हिस्सा है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आप सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
She gave life. She is a wife. She is a mother and she is a friend. She is a sister, a survivor to the end. Appreciate her. We don't dare. Ask her worries. We don't care. Wipe away her tears. They are invisible as air. This beautiful creation of God, the angel on earth, makes our life a wonderful experience altogether. Imagining life without a woman is quite hard-hitting. This angel shakes the cradle with one hand and the earth with other hand. The fact that all great people in the world are born from a woman, and it is a woman from whom all those people have taken their initial teachings. And that is the reason we have always emphasized upon giving the due respect to the women in their life. And that is why Women's Day is celebrated with so much of zeal, and it has spread out throughout the world. For that, here comes Shreya Sen of class 12th B to present a poem. Shreya Sen.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं श्रेया सेन कक्षा 12वीं ब की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष महिला दिवस पर एक कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ, जो कि कुछ इस प्रकार है। जिम्मेदारियों का बोझ परिवार पे पड़ा तो, जिम्मेदारियों का बोझ परिवार पे पड़ा तो, ऑटो रिक्शा ट्रेन को चलाने लगी बेटियां। साहस के साथ अंतरिक्ष तक भेद डाला, साहस के साथ अंतरिक्ष तक भेद डाला। वायुयान भी चलाने लगी बेटियां, वायुयान भी चलाने लगी बेटियां। सुना वायुयान भी चलाने लगी बेटियां। और कितने उदाहरण ढूंढ कर लाऊं, और कितने उदाहरण ढूंढ कर लाऊं। हर क्षेत्र शक्ति आजमाने लगी बेटियां, हर क्षेत्र शक्ति आजमाने लगी बेटियां। वीर की शहादत पे अर्थी को कांधा देके, वीर की शहादत पे अर्थी को कांधा देके, अब शमशान तक जाने लगी बेटियां, अब शमशान तक जाने लगी बेटियां। घर में बटा के हाथ रहती है माँ के साथ, घर में बटा के हाथ रहती है माँ के साथ। पिता की समस्या बाधा हरती हैं बेटियां, पिता की बाधा समस्या हरती हैं बेटियां। कटु वाक्य बोलने से पूर्व सोचती हैं खूब, कटु वाक्य बोलने से पूर्व सोचती हैं खूब। मन में सहमती हैं डरती हैं बेटियां, मन में सहमती हैं डरती हैं बेटियां। बेटे हो उद्दंड भले आपका दुखा दे दिल, बेटे उद्दंड हो भले आपका दुखा दे दिल। कष्ट सह के भी धैर्य धरती हैं बेटियां, कष्ट सह के भी धैर्य धरती हैं बेटियां। प्रश्न ये ज्वलनशील सबके लिए है आज, प्रश्न ये ज्वलनशील सबके लिए है आज। नित्य प्रति कोक में क्यों मरती हैं बेटियां, नृत्य प्रति कोक में क्यों मरती हैं बेटियां। ललिता विशाखा राधा रानी बेटी होती नहीं, ललिता विशाखा राधा रानी बेटी होती नहीं। यशोदा दुलारे नंद नंद नंदन नचाता कौन, यशोदा दुलारे नंद नंद नंदन नचाता कौन। अनुसुईया जैसी बेटी तप साधिका न होती, पालने में ब्रह्मा विष्णु रुद्र रुद्र को झुलाता कौन, पालने में ब्रह्मा विष्णु रुद्र को झुलाता कौन। जनता जनार्दन बताए एक बात आज, जनता जनार्दन बताए एक बात आज, सावित्री ना होती सत्यवान को बचाता कौन, सावित्री ना होती सत्यवान को बचाता कौन। सब 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 कुछ होता, सब 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 कुछ होता, तो पर एक बात सोच लेना, कविता ना होती तो ये कविता सुनाता कौन, कविता ना होती तो ये कविता सुनाता कौन। धन्यवाद।
A general myth that exists in the society is that issues related to women empowerment can only be addressed at immeasurably slow pace. Many people out there in the society believe that the gender gap not really exists, and some are of the belief that efforts made by individual cannot actually make difference to the gender gap that exists in the society. These beliefs has over the years debilitated the power of women. One powerful being of the society is a woman who is educated and has the power to spread awareness in the society. An educated woman is one who frightens the advocates of taboos and stereotypes that exist in the society. The first in this endeavor to eradicating the deep-rooted menace is realizing that problem can only be identified and solved by interacting with the people who are actually irrational taboos of the society. On this day, we must realize that every single person's contribution towards the fighting a threat to society counts. International Women's Day is all about being aware of the fact that each individual has to work in their own way for changing the ugly face of the society. Now, I invite Sri L. Sood sir to speak to the gathering that may aware many. Sood sir.
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Madam, and my learned colleagues, on this very special occasion of International Women's Day, celebrated throughout the world on 8th March, with due respect, I want to send my greetings to all the women. I am also thankful of Shrimati Kaushalya Sharma Madam to provide me this opportunity to express my feeling in words. Reasons for celebrating Women's Day are various in different parts of the world. It witnessed many movements according to issues raised at times. Socialist Party of America at the very time organized Women's Day in New York City in February 1909, which was the focal point. A march was organized for the rights of women who were working in the textile industry, for equal wages and respectful behaviors towards them, equal rights and treatment at par the men. Later on, 8th March 1917, women in Petrograd, Russia, demonstrated for bread and peace. This itself declared the pitiable condition of women in those days. 8th March was the day which was adopted by the United Nations in 1977 as International Women's Day. It is a day that celebrates the womanhood. In 1996, the United Nations took up women welfare in its hand and started planning for uplifting the condition of women all over the world. Peace being the top priority, among all matters. In 1997, the United Nations called for peaceful life of women. Since then, United Nations has been working for the betterment of women and devotes a theme every year. I would like to quote some of the important themes that have proven to be turning points. Year 1998 was devoted for women and human rights. Year 1999 was declared as a world free from violence against women. Though such endeavors, the United Nations is putting in sincere efforts for handing over the well-deserved power into the hands of the women. Some more themes that justify this are: year 2015, empowering women, empowering humanity. Year 2016, Planet 50-50 by 2030. The theme for the current year is Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 Free World. I cannot resist myself from mentioning the name of great women in Indian history. Starting from Maitri and Gargi, from ancient India to recent past, I salute Mother Teresa, Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar, Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Kiran Bedi, Lata Mangeshkar, Kalpana Chawla for their exceptional work and contribution. The list is unending. In fact, every woman is a warrior in her own way. With due respect, I feel honored to mention some more names. Dr. Anandi Joshi, the first female doctor in India and the first Indian woman to obtain medical degree in the United States. Indira Gandhi, who became the first woman Prime Minister of India and only woman till now. Justice Anna Chandi, first female judge in India. Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman to travel to space, unfortunately lost her life in the tragic accident of the Space Shuttle Columbia. Savitri Bai Phule, who was the first Indian woman to start girls' school with her husband. Mother Teresa, who dedicated her life to serve the poor and was the first woman to win Nobel Peace Prize. The whole effort to celebrate this great day would be in vain if we do not live our words. And it is not very difficult. The only thing we must do is to respect each and every woman in true sense and honest demeanor. This should come from our hearts. Respect to women must be an intrinsic, a trait deeply rooted in genes, so that the future generation need not celebrate this day, as they would be born with an inbuilt characteristic to respect the woman. Thank you and have a very happy Women's Day.
She swallows her pride, puts her feeling aside, does as you need in order for you to be free, ignores your ignorance and tolerates your flaws. You call her bad, worse and worst. She answers with pride and dignity and a complete loss of herself. You call her nothing. I call her strong, smart, caring, giving, surviving, tolerant and powerful. I call her woman. International Women's Day, a special day to celebrate the being of a woman, to acknowledge her journey and celebrate her success story. I invite Rudrani Joshi of class 12C to narrate such a successful and success story of a woman of Ujjain. Rudrani Joshi.
On the occasion of Women's Day, I want to share the success story of a woman from Ujjain. There is a saying that there is no age barrier for reading and learning, that a person can continue to learn and grow throughout life. This adage has come true for Shashikala Rawal of Ujjain, who has been awarded a PhD in Sanskrit at the ripe age of 80. She received her degree after retiring from the education department as a lecturer. Shashikala Rawal, a resident of Ujjain, retired from the state government's education department as a lecturer. She had completed her MA in astrology from 2009 to 2011. She did not stop here and continued pursuing her studies and thought of doing a PhD in Ramhira's astrological treatise Brihat Samhita in Sanskrit. She successfully completed her PhD in 2019. Shashikala earned the degree of Doctor of Philosophy on the subject Social Life as Seen Through the Mirror of Brihat Samhita, under the guidance of Mithila Prasad Tripathi, former Vice Chancellor of Maharshi Panini University. While awarding the degree to Shashikala, Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel was pleasantly surprised and praised her courage. When asked that why she chose to study at an age most people want to rest, she said she has always been interested in astrology, and because of her passion, she took admission in MA Studies and Astrology, started by Vikram University. After this, she wanted to pursue further studies, so she read Ramhira's Brihat Samhita and thought of doing her doctorate in it. She said that her thinking has received a different direction from reading astrology. Astrology has such importance in life, similar to taking help of maps by which we reach closer to our destination. We can face challenges by reading the science of astrology. Rawal said it is easier to navigate life if you access the type of challenges in life in advance. She would like to use her knowledge in public interest. Thank you.
Celebrating Women's Day is a way of feeling gratitude to each of the every woman in one's life, be it the professional or the personal life. Certainly, our mother is one person who makes us realize our dream. They are the people in our life who work all day and night, and that too without getting paid for it. But there are four most important women in everyone's life. First, the one you're born from. Second, the one you're born with. Third, the one you're born for. And fourth, the one who is born from you. So cheers to the existence of these great creatures of the universe. I invite Shri Sandeep Pondrik sir with his creative presentation to cheer up the existence. Pondrik sir.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस पर केंद्रीय विद्यालय उज्जैन परिवार की हमारी समस्त महिला शिक्षिका साथियों को मेरा सादर नमन। आज इस अवसर पर मैं पद्यात्मक अंग से रचना पाठ न करते हुए गद्य अंग से एक रचना प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। आशा है आप सभी को बहुत अच्छी लगेगी। संसार की ये अनबूझी पहेली, जीवन के विभिन्न रंग, जिसमें बचपन, जवानी और बुढ़ापा। कौन तुम्हारी किलकारियों पर दौड़ आता था? तुमने अपनी जिह्वा से कौन सा शब्द पहले कहा था? याद करो, मां तो नहीं? अरे हां, मां ही तो था। मेरी सृष्टि, मेरी वर्तमान में संस्कृति और मेरे संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व की धुरी मेरी मां। जीवन का चक्र थोड़ा घुमा ही था और फिर एक व्यक्तित्व जो ईश्वर का था वरदान, अर्थात मेरी दीदी या मेरी बहन, जिसने हमेशा मेरी गलतियों पर मुझे अनेकों बार बचाया था। सृष्टि के ये दो ही आधार जिन्हें ये शक्ति प्रदत्त है। क्या कभी सोचा भी है कि बहुत कुछ सह कर भी आपसे निष्कपट प्रेम करने वाली मां एवं अग्रजा, समय चक्र के गतिमान होने पर जीवन की कल्पना तुम बिन अधूरी, क्योंकि तुम जो हो मेरी अर्धांगिनी। किन शब्दों से श्रृंगारित करूं तुम्हें, क्योंकि डर है कहीं शब्दकोश कम न पड़ जाए। पुनः समय परिवर्तन पर जीवन के परमानंद की अनुभूति मेरी बेटी एवं जीवन का सर्वश्रेष्ठ दान अर्थात कन्यादान, जिससे जीवन सारगर्भित हो उठा है। इसलिए कहा गया है कि सृष्टि में नारी समाहित है विभिन्न रूपों में, और मनुष्य का यह दायित्व है, यह कर्तव्य है कि वह सभी रूपों में नारी का सम्मान करे। जय हिंद।
The bottom line of celebrating Women's Day is due to the widespread differences in various fields. The pay difference of 14.9% between men and women, only 21.4% of seats for women in parliament around the world, lack of awareness for women's education, and many more. International Women's Day is all about feeling women realize their worth and giving them boost to achieve as per their actual potential. On this day, the world unites to appreciate their courage to cross all the hurdles and make such tremendous improvement in almost all the spheres of life. Besides that, the most important thing to be given emphasis is the work that still needs to be done to fill the gap completely that had existed from ages. Empower women, empower the human community. The base on which the world stands is a woman. A strong woman is one who can dare to raise her voice for the cause she believes in, and this strength lives in a corner in every woman's heart. It is just needed to be searched. On this significant moment, I invite Honorable Principal Shri A.B. Pandey Sir to address the gathering. Shri Pandey Sir.
Namaskar. Every year on 8th March, International Women's Day is celebrated to honor and respect the achievements of women around the world. This year, the theme of celebration is Choose to Challenge. This signifies that women can choose to challenge gender bias and inequality in the world. The theme further elaborates that from challenge comes the change. Celebration of Women's Day is all about making society realize that each individual has to work differently as per its potential. So, all should be given equal opportunities in all respects. It is a celebration of respect, appreciation, love, and care towards women in our lives and in the society. We can see women reaching greater heights and even traveling to space. They are entering into all fields and are making success wherever they go. It is the day for praising women who work hard each day to accomplish individual and professional goals. This is also a day to remember our great women contributors like Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Pratibha Patil, Mother Teresa, Mary Kom, Arunima Sinha, Kalpana Chawla, Bachendri Pal, Mithali Raj, Razia Sultana, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many other freedom fighters and prominent leaders. In this COVID-19 pandemic also, we see women working at many places like police force, doctors, nurses, and many other places. We should salute their work and encourage them for working in this pandemic situation. Swami Vivekananda says, there is no chance of the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. It is not possible for a bird to fly on only one wing. And also, Albert Payne has rightly said that what we do for ourselves dies only with us, but what we do for others and for the world remains and is immortal. Therefore, today, let us take a vow to frame a world where we all are free to live our lives without discrimination, harassment, and violence. For this, to remove gender inequality is essential. Together, we can create a world we are proud to hand down to our grandchildren. At the end, I wish all the women a very happy International Women's Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
A woman is an epitome of beauty, wisdom, and care. She has climbed the mountain and dived into the ocean. She has matched the steps with every man in the world. International Women's Day celebrates the power of women, their rights, role in our life and society. Today is not only to honor the power of women, but also to highlight their suffering, pain, anguishes that they have successfully battled over the years. Nearing to the close, I invite Srimati Pratima Upadhyay Madam to extend a formal vote of thanks. Pratima Upadhyay Madam.
परम आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, उप प्राचार्य महोदया, एचएम सर एवं प्रबुद्ध शिक्षकगण, सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार एवं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं। आज हमारे विद्यालय में वर्चुअल रूप से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस मनाया गया। आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय ने इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की एवं उप प्राचार्य महोदय ने उसे साकार रूप प्रदान करने में अपना मार्गदर्शन दिया। इस हेतु मैं हृदय से उनका आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ। आदरणीय सूद सर ने अपने लेख एवं श्री पौंड्रिक सर ने अपनी विषयानुकूल कविता के माध्यम से कार्यक्रम में 4 चांद लगा दिए। विद्यालय की छात्रा कुमारी श्रेया सेन एवं रुद्राणी जोशी ने अपनी रचनाओं की प्रस्तुति देकर कार्यक्रम को और भी रोचक बनाया। इसके लिए मैं इन सभी का हृदय से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। अंत में श्रीमती कौशल्या शर्मा मैडम को कार्यक्रम के सफल संचालन हेतु एवं अन्य जिसने भी प्रत्यक्ष एवं परोक्ष रूप से सहयोग किया हो उनका मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
International Women's Day is observed every year around the world to celebrate the valor of women. Women from various cultural and ethnic groups come together, crossing all the boundaries to remember their struggle for many decades for peace, justice, equality, and development. The day allows women to raise their voice for an equal opportunity in the whatever field she wants to participate in, same as man is provided. There is only one thing in the universe which a woman still needs to learn, and that one thing is that she had power to turn the direction of the wind on her own. Women from times immemorial have fought for the rights of others. Now it's her time to get her rights realized and get equal participation in society. Once again, wish everyone happy Women's Day celebration. Thank you.